guys, today I'm not doing any kind of makeup. I'm not showing you anything, no review, no haul. It is going to be a makeup collection video. Frankly telling you, I don't have so much of makeup. I'm like just collecting makeup stuff. So whatever I have right now, I'll just show it to you. It's not at all fancy and I'm not bragging or anything. It's just, I'm sharing with you guys. One of my subscriber requested me for this makeup collection video, so I'm doing it. And nothing to show off, please don't. I mean, if you are interested in seeing what all I have, then please. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to show is this is my bedside table. This is my bedside table, you can see this one, and this is the second row where I've kept my lip balms and all night essentials. And then up you can see candle, scented candle. I'm die-hard fan of scented candles. This is my diary. This is again my diary. This is Hajmola bottle. And then these are two drawers where I've kept my essentials. Then here, this area I'm having one box in which I've kept my tissue paper, like my wipes and all. I've kept here Fresh One, Chloris and all that. Then I have all my you can say my body butters over here. This was from Oriflame. This is chocolate body butter. It's from TBC. This is my MRE Seduction, absolutely favorite one. Amazing softener, body softener you can say. This is my Body Shop strawberry body butter. And last I have my DIY body butter which I made for myself at home. So this goes back. Then at last I'm having this cream. It's a cream I ordered online. It's Reset Magic Whitening Cream. So yeah, that's that. Then comes the desk part. I have my daily essentials which I keep over here. This is my Lotus whitening lotion, then Lotus sunscreen gel, enzyme mask from Freeman. Absolutely love this product. Then Aroma Spa anti-tan lotion, Nivea, my toner, my hair and care product, Live On, and then I have my night gel. Then here is my mirror. All different types of eyeliners and lip liners you can say, Oriflame and all that stuff. Then here I have my all combs, brushes, hair brushes. Then this is my Revlon. They gave me this Revlon gift box. It's a box I bought lots of stuff, so I got this free. So again, here is my wipes which I use daily. New Feel, I bought it new, yet to try. This is my room freshener, some tablets, Q-tips and all. So yeah, this is the box. Then on the upper side, here are all my favorite stuff. This is my favorite perfume, 212 from CK. Then this is 360 Women. This is Davidoff Cool Water. This is Giordani, and this is Victoria's Secret Mist. Elizabeth Arden perfume. Hugo Boss perfume. This is Water Girl Layer. Short, you can say it's Body Splash. Then the upper part is, here are all my eyeshadow palettes which I keep. It's Color Fever, then Chameleon, local palettes. Then I have Makeup Revolution, Color Care and all that stuff. In this I have kept all my bows and all. This is DIY box where I keep again my essentials. This is handmade stuff. In this box I keep all my earrings. In this also I keep my earrings. These are some sealed bags you can say to store my stuff. Here is again one Hajmola bottle. Then this is my fab bag. In this I keep all my stationery stuff. This is my pencil pouch. Again, fab bag. Then in the upper, all essentials are there. My hair dryer is there. Then comes the box, again some essentials, then few books are there. And then here is my jewelry part. I just hang whatever daily I use, all the jewelries over there. Then we'll start up with the drawer. This is my first drawer, where you will see, let me start up from here. Here I have all the lipsticks. I have Lakme lipstick, you can say. It's Lakme 9 to 5. Lakme 9 to 5. Then I have L'Oreal. Then I have Maybelline. Again, L'Oreal new collection one, absolutely favorite. I just love this lipstick like anything. Then I have few L18, and then Color Care, Oriflame, then Streetwear Color, this one. Then I have Passionate Pink from Color Essence. Yeah, these are collections, few collections you can say, not much. Here I keep all my CC creams inside this. My brush, CC cream and all that stuff over here. This is my makeup remover. This is again a Dio, my Ayur astringent. This is Votra gel and I guess moisturizer gel, which I got from my fab bag. Then I have my Lakme gloss. Then this is vitamin E capsules. Then here in the corner I have kept my some eye mask, eye strips, and then this is makeup brush pouch. Then here are some serum samples which I got from facial kit. Then here are all my lip gloss, lipsticks like Revlon and Body Shop. Then in between here you can see my Pond's night care cream. And this is my Anna Endry, you can say Anna Endry eyeshadow, no, blush. This is blush. This is again my favorite one. This is Malvera body lotion, which I absolutely love. I got this from my fab bag. And then this is again, this is Kronoke, it's a Bitsy massage addict kit, which I got from again my fab bag. Then I have this, my blush, my some mirror. Then here are all my gel eyeliner. This is my Inglot eyeshadow primer. This is my L'Oreal eyeliner, some Maybelline, Boreline. Then again here are some eyeliners, all my what do we say, lip balms over here. Then here are my few brushes. Corner also I have few lipsticks and all things. Then here are my brushes and all brushes, and these are like hair clips and all that stuff. Now we'll go for the second one. In the second drawer, here I have like my this is eyeshadow, this is my powder, I mean compact, and you can say blushers and all. Then is my color lipsticks, I mean lipsticks, two boxes. One is Color Essence and other one is Color Care. So yeah, let's get started from this side. Here I have my eyeshadow palette. This is my Color Bar one. Then this is Tips and Toes, Color Essence, this is a Maybelline. Then I have Color Essence, NYX palette and all. And this is again, you can see stars. These are some pigments. This is my Maybelline Color Tattoo in golden color. This is in edgy emerald. Then I have Mua faces, so Lotus. Then again faces kit. This is my sheer cover highlighter kit. So yeah, and then comes this portion. I have, this is my small manicure pedicure kit, you can say. This is my local palette eyeshadow stuff. Then this is Bonjour Paris Compact, Wove, Faces, Revlon. Then this is Wove Blusher, Lakme Absolute. Then comes Maybelline, Oriflame, Avon, MAC, Color Essence, Lakme, Color Fever, Lakme, Chambord, and last is again Maybelline. Then comes this side. I have few loose powders lying over here. One is this you can say Stars one loose powder. This is blusher. These are the bronzers. This is again blusher, bronzer. This is my contouring kit. Absolutely favorite. I just love this product like anything. I got this from my Fabac and amazing product. And then here I have my highlighters from Lakme, and then blushers from Maybelline, Cheek Glow, and this blush. This one is also my favorite. And then again I have here mascaras like Revlon, Chambord, Maybelline, Color Fever. Then I have my Glam Up over here, my Color Essence lip gloss. Then this is my lactic alamine lotion, which is sometimes essential. This is Garnier BB cream. Then here is L'Oreal mascara. It should go here. This is you can say tweezer for your upper lips or eyebrows. This is my favorite mirror. It's so beautiful and antique. I just love it. Then I have one lipstick lying over here. Okay, this is Color Care Current Red. Very beautiful color, you can see. And then I have all my foundations over here. This is VLCC's Food Spray. This is L'Oreal Mineral Foundation. This is Color Essence HD Foundation. This is my vibrator machine, sponge. Then this is my primer from Chambord. And then Olay 7 Sign Effect Foundation Effects. This is BB cream from Inveda. This is Simply Pretty Avon Foundation. Again Avon, very me. Color Care, these two products, Maybelline BB cream. This is Lakme. This is Garnier. Gold Mineral Alicia Coy BB cream. Then again L18. Then here I have my Lakme Absolute Mousse. These two are mousse. Then this is my absolute favorite product. This is Color Essence Triple Act Compact, you can say. This is Maybelline Mousse. Then this is again Color Essence Stick, Mineral Foundation from Sheer Cover. Then yeah, this is concealer from Sheer Cover. I just love this concealer. And then I have few foundations. Foundations are, this is Infallible L'Oreal foundation. Then this is 24 Hour Stay Revlon. This is Maybelline Mousse. This is Tips and Toes 4-in-1 stick. Lakme, Revlon, Lakme Absolute foundation. Then this is BB cream from Revlon. Then Color Essence foundation. And here I have primer from Oriflame and all. So yeah, pretty much that. Now comes my last drawer, where I keep all my cosmetic stuff, like some deos, face pack, papaya gel. Here I keep all my lotions, like you can see my astringent from Himalaya, aloe vera. This is again, you can see Vaseline. This is Dove, Johnson's Baby, Parachute, Pond's Parachute, Nivea body lotion. Then this is Moisture X, very good product. Then this is Jovi's Oriflame product essentials, some rose water, glycerin, nail paint remover. These are few machines, all massaging machines. This is my hair care products are over here, where I keep my gel, straightening, you can say preheat one spray. Then I have makeup fixer, some oil from Himalaya, Parachute, And this is again Biotique homemade DIY oil which I made for myself. Then again here are some lotions. Here this is collagen cream, body care, Sally Hansen, and all that stuff. Lots of product. So yeah, that was my small van. So yeah, that was my makeup collection. I hope that you all liked it. Nothing very fancy, it's very simple, and I have minimum makeup collection, you can say. I have not collected a lot of stuff. Whatever is available in India, I tried to collect all of them, and I bought it all this by my own money, my hard khoon pasine ki kamai, you can say. And yeah, if you liked it, then please comment and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, guys. And of course, I mean, whatever, like if you are interested to if you are interested you know, in anything, if you want me to do any review or any makeup or any kind of video, then you can leave a comment below in my description box. I'll definitely do it for you guys because I love to do. And of course, do take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye.